कंपनी कडेन एक मिटींग घेवन सगळ्यांक हाडून थिंगा एक टेबलाचेर हें जावपाक जाय. सो दीस इज आवर रेवेन्यू ऑफ द स्टेट. आमचो रेवेन्यू गेलो न्हू, आमी लोन रीण काडटा मग सगळे, सरकार रीण काडटा सगळे बिलां फारीक करपाक. सो हे तरी भितर येत जाल्यार हो रेवेन्यू भितर येत जाल्यार आमकां प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व जाता. वी वील वर्क आवट. तुम्ही सगळ्यांक मेवले तुमी मायनींग सीएमाक एक लेटर हे लेटर केला न्हू, ताका मेवया, तुमी यात सगळे, हांवूय येता. ताका सांगया एक मिटींग घे सगळ्या आमच्या आमदारांची, रुलींग एज वेल एज ऑपोजिशन कोण येता पळय आमचे PSC हॉलान एसेंब्लीन मिटींग घेवपाची आतां, एसेंब्ली जावच्या पयलीं. आनी सेंटराचें कितें आहा तेणें सीएमान सांगून आमकां सगळ्यांक वॉट इज द डिसिजन ऑफ द सेंटर, हाव टू स्टार्ट मायनींग, कशें मायनींग गोंयांत चालू जावपाचें, त्या डायरेक्शनान वचपाचें. ते मायनींग कंपनीक हाडूनय सीएमाक आनी सांगून हे डायरेक्शन सेंटरान दिलां, आमी हे डायरेक्शनान चालू करपाना जाल्यार आमी ह्या आडीन वचत ते आडीन कोर्टान जावं. सेंटर एंड स्टेट हॅज टू बी टुगेदर, बिकॉज BJP टुगेदर. वॉट इज द सोल्युशन? ते सोल्युशन आतां हाडपाक जाय. बाय ऑगस्ट सोल्युशन शूड बी आउट, and by November the work can start. 2 महिने लागतले काम चालू प्रोसेस कितें सुप्रीम कोर्टाची ऑर्डर, ताजेर तडको काडपाक जाय. वेदर टू गीव द मायनींग टू दीस पीपल ऑर नॉट. तेंचे लीज आहा. सुप्रीम कोर्ट सेट दीस लीज आर नो गुड, दॅट इज वाय द स्क्रॅप केला जाय. आनी सुप्रीम कोर्टान बॅन घातली. सुप्रीम कोर्टान ऑर्डर सुटली मायनींग बॅन इन गोवा. बॅन म्हणजे ऑल दोज लीज वीच वर रिन्यूड आर नॉट गुड इन नेचर, आर नॉट गुड इन लॉ, अशें सांगलां न्हू तेणें. सो तेजेर डिसिजन कितें? ऑप्शन तांकां कॉन्फिडन्सान घेवन कंपनी काय कंपनीक सायडीक दवरून ऑप्शन करूंक वचप, ते परतून कोर्टान येतले अशें म्हाका दिसता. मायनींग कंपनी म्हाका सांगूंक ना तेणें, बट मायनींग कंपनीचे सरफेस रायट्स आहा न्हू ते कोर्टान येतले. मागीर कळटलें वॉट इज द स्टँड ऑफ द वॉट वील बी द स्टँड ऑफ द गव्हर्मेंट. Resumption of mining in the state of Goa is very important. It is the economy of the state, where I think so many projects which the state governments is planning to undertake have stalled because of the mining income, mining revenue which the state gets in terms of direct income and indirect income from the state as well as the center has slowed down, has stopped. So
now what we will do?
2000 crores nearly in a year is what we are suffering. So this matter has to be taken up immediately by all the 40 MLAs. How all the 40 MLAs together voiced their opinion against draft CZMP map which was coming up, which was wrong. So same way in PSC hall around 50 mining belt leaders or the company, in a company there are say 100 employees, so employees leaders, say two leaders from every company can come over there. Even the company representatives can come. 40 MLAs, CM, mine secretary of Goa, and also mining director of Goa. We can have a discussion. The important is that we have to go in one direction. It is the ruling opposition should have a one voice that mining has to start. Secondly, the mining companies, the order of the Supreme Court is against the leases which were extended. They said the ore belongs to the state of Goa. It belongs to the nation, the people of the nation. So mining companies also somewhere have to agree with the decision taken by the Goa government and the center. So finally, we all MLAs can go to the center and plead to the center our part that we need mining to be started by October. So what are the things what we have to do to start legal mining in Goa and take the mining companies also on board. They are also part and parcel of this mining dependents. They are not dependents. They have the surface rights, so they also have to be taken into confidence. So if everybody is taken into confidence, everybody has a one voice to start resume the mines, to start the mining operations in Goa. So legally how it can be started, immediately it has to be checked out and worked out, and immediately it has to start,
What you will
because
be
it is
doing?
the economy of our poor men also. So ते खूपशे मायनिंग डिपेंडंट आहा, बारीक बारीक लोक आहा हे हितून
लोक
डिपेंड.
तुमकां मेळपा येयले, तुमी तांकां कितें आश्वासन
आमी सांगला तांकां की तुमी मोबिलायज करा की सगळे कंपनीचे 2-2 representatives which amounts to 50 numbers, and ते पुर्ती गांवकार आहा, ते सगळे लिडर्स ऑफ मायनिंग बेल्टाचे जे आहा तांकां हाडा, सगळे मायनिंगाचे MLAs हाडा, आनी बाकीचे गोंयचे आमदार आनी मुख्यमंत्री आनी बाकीचे जे मुख्यमंत्र्याक जाय ते सगळे जाणांक हाडूनी आनी PSC हॉलान एक मिटींग घेवनी लेजिस्लेटीव असेंब्लीन की हेचो तोडको कितें, हेचो वॉट इज द वे फॉरवर्ड to resume mining in Goa. And a delegation of all 40 MLAs can go to the center and meet the mining minister, mining secretary, and the advocate general from Goa also has to be taken, and the solicitor general of India. सगळे जाण मेळोन दिल्ली मिटींग करप ती. So this is how you can start legal mining in Goa. So whatever way they give us, center gives us, the state has to follow on mining, and mining has to start.